With just a few keywords, you can create unlimited stunning visuals, edit images seamlessly, and bring your creative ideas to life, all with Artistly AI. Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're exploring Artistly AI, an all-in-one AI-powered image generation and editing platform designed for creators, marketers, and designers. Whether you want to generate professional quality images, customize photos, or create unique marketing visuals, Artistly AI offers a comprehensive toolkit that makes it easy and fast. This video is split into timestamps, so feel free to skip ahead if you want to jump to a specific part. What is Artistly AI? Artistly AI is a powerful web-based platform that lets you generate, edit, and enhance images using artificial intelligence. It's perfect for anyone from beginners to professional who want to create logos, promotional images, digital art, or product visuals without needing advanced design skills. With unlimited access to features like AI image creation, Inpainting, background removal, and upscaling, Artistly AI's AI is built to boost your creative workflow and save time. Price. Artistly AI offers a straightforward pricing model, one-time payment, around $49 for unlimited access to core features. Premium package, approximately $147 for advanced tools like face swap, custom models, and logo design. No recurring subscription fees, making it cost-effective for long-term use. How to use Artistly AI tutorial. Visit artistly.ai and create an account. Choose to start a new project by entering a keyword or uploading an image. Use the AI image creator to generate visuals based on your input. Edit images with Inpainting to replace or modify objects using simple keywords. Remove or change backgrounds with the background remover tool. Apply artistic styles with the photo stylizer for a unique look. Upscale your images to high resolution for print or digital use. Use the prompt enhancer to refine your input and get better results. Download your finished images or export them in formats like PNG, JPG, SVG, or EPS. For bulk projects, use batch processing to create or edit multiple images at once.